Well, actually, I think the worst of it's over. Holy shit. We were in a tornado, basically. The car was almost off its wheels. We pulled up on the side of this abandoned building.
We almost got blown away. Blown away. The hat's gone.
It's not over yet. Hold on. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out there. I'll be all right, Charlie. Charlie, I'll be all right.
It's okay.
Just let me go check it out. Charlie, I'll be all right.
Charlie, we'll be okay.
Just 2 seconds. Oh my God. There it is. Crazy out here. It's all hail. I can't see anything. I can't hold myself up. Oh my God.
That's bad, dude.
I can't hold myself up. Holy crap. Jack, give me your thoughts.
Holy shit. That's bad. I lost the hat and everything.
Charlie, you're gonna be okay, huh? You're gonna be okay. Listen, Charlie, if we didn't stop here, we would have drove right into it. Don't be scared. It's gonna be fine. We're at this building right now. Holy shit! Oh my God! Jack out here right now. We got Jack out here. We got Jack. It stings. We got little hail. We had a tornado earlier and picked up the car for a little while. God damn it! Oh, it stings! It hurts! It's really strong winds. It's gotta be 70, 80 miles per hour right now. I'm gonna go out here. Oh, I get it! Holy shit! Gotta get out there. Let me video. Oh. What?
You go out.
Here's the clouds.
Go out.
This is not iCloud.
Try y'all, man. So everybody.
Oh my God, look at this.
I'm not
crazy.
I'm gonna post this on Instagram. This is horrible. Go out there. Show me the wind.
Trying. Oh, you want me to do it? Ready?
3, 2, 1. It's gonna leave marks on us. It's really bad. Best uncle ever right here.
Oh crap.
Come on now. Oh my God. Shit. I would push.
We're in a perfect spot, actually. Yeah. And if you look over here to the